Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to enable keyboard shortcuts in Gmail for faster navigation. Let's supercharge your email experience. To get started, open your Gmail inbox and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Now scroll down until you find the keyboard shortcuts section. Click on the radio button to enable keyboard shortcuts. And then scroll down again and hit Save Changes. Now your Gmail account is equipped with a powerful tool for lightning fast navigation. To start using keyboard shortcuts, simply press the question mark key on your keyboard while you're in Gmail. And then a handy cheat sheet of available shortcuts will pop up on your screen. Let's try. So there you go. Here's the cheat sheet. And then let's test out the shortcuts. For instance, press C to compose a new email, R to reply, and E to archive. You'll be amazed at how these shortcuts streamline your email task. So, for example, let's press C. It's really easy now to compose a message. And that's it. You've learned how to enable keyboard shortcuts in Gmail for faster navigation. Say goodbye to endless clicking and hello to efficient email management. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to enable keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. See you on my next video.